You just get mean. Get up here, young man.
My hair sucks. What's up, guys? So I get a lot of requests for Ryden videos, and I thought I would throw one up. That's this dude right here playing with some dogs. I thought it was cute, and I thought it was worth a YouTube video. What do you got to say about it? Nothing? But that's it, guys. The next Ryden video will be one I think you guys will like. It's actually a sequel video, and that is all I'm going to say. But I'm going to go, guys. If you stay after the outro, there will be a clip of him dressed as Yoda, clapping and laughing and all that fun stuff. So I'll see you in the future. Subscribe or censoring myself because there's a child present. Say goodbye. Are you Yoda?